Hey, this is Phil from Race City Retro, and today we're going to restore a piece of speed part history. Something very rare, something very cool, something very seldom seen. They didn't sell too many of these. They weren't super hot when they first came out, but we're going to make these old ones that have been sitting around for years look like new again. I'm going to let you guys watch my process for turning back the clock on these Cal Custom Panther hood scoops. Whoa, check those out. How neat are those? These things were sitting in a shed or something for a million years. These are the Cal Custom Panther hood scoops. And they need a little love. Ironically, all the studs are good. I'm going to chase these and sandblast the entire scoops. They still got the Cal Custom logo you could read in there. And these are a real neat piece of history. Nice fin design. I mean, really, really cool. They're a good size. Let's see how long these things are. All right, let's go to the tape. Tail of the tape. It looks like they're about tick over 17 inches long. And these scoops were super popular in the 60s, believe it or not, on Ford Fairlanes, like the GTA style scoop. You'd see a bunch of them. Mustangs, and Cal Custom had an ad where they would show these scoops like staggered like that on the hood. It looked pretty cool because in the 60s you had a lot of asymmetrical type stuff out there as well that guys were building. So these scoops came in handy for stuff like that. They were universal. Drill the holes, mount them, and go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to blast these down. We're going to get them back to their original aluminum finish. Sometimes guys will put color between the fins, but I may just get them back to, the original aluminum finish. This way the next guy can decide what he wants to do as far as adding color to them. So let me put these in the blaster, give them a little scat magic blasting, and we'll see how they come out. All right, there you have it. Through the magic of TV, right out of the blast cabinet. Hit it with a little scat magic from TP Tools. Came out nice. Good shape, clean scoop. Now you can read the Cal Custom. And whenever you blast stuff, try not to handle it with your bare hands. Always wear a rubber glove because you don't want to get the oils from your fingers in here before you paint it. I'm going to clean them anyway with wax and grease remover. But the cleaner they are, the better. They had a lot of paint on them. If you see the chips and stuff, had quite a few coats. So, and I hit the studs too. But what I'll also do is, after I paint it, I'll chase the studs. I'll pull my tap and die set out and just chase them so they're nice and clean. But came out really cool. All right, let me get the other one done. Throw that one in and give it a blast. Okay, there you have it. They've both been blasted. My next step now, I'm going to take a Scotch-Brite and just clean them up, make sure everything got scuffed up real good. And what I'm going to do next is, I love Seymour Paints. This is not a paid advertisement. If they want to send me a couple cases, boy, I would put it to good use. But man, this stuff is the absolute best. We're going to put a coat of their primer. They have this fill and sand primer, which fills in any type of scratches. We'll put a coat of that on first because these are hood scoops. They're going to be out in the elements. And then after that, my favorite for aluminum, Alumiblast. Seymour Alumiblast I use on all my intakes, all my valve covers. And the reason I use it is because it's got the perfect shade of silver that looks like aluminum that you're going to see on these scoops. A lot of times when you use like an aluminum paint, it looks chromy. It's too brilliant, too silvery. This looks like that fresh out of the box aluminum part. You're going to see how nice these things are going to look when I give them a coat of that. And now originally these had black between the fins. I may duplicate that. I may not. I got to see when they're done, if I like them the way they are. If not, I may put, it's like a black wrinkle that was between the fins. I'll see. I see how I'm feeling once I get them painted and what they look like. But I'm going to clean these up. I'm going to wash them down with wax and grease remover. I'm going to give them probably 2 coats of prime, top, bottom. And once that's done, I'll put 2 coats of silver on them. So the next time you see these things, they'll be silvered up, looking like fresh aluminum stuff. There they are, all painted up, primed, painted. Nice coat of Seymour Alumablast. Looks good, right? Nice sheen to them. I don't think they looked this good when they were brand new, these things. They were just pretty much raw aluminum. It's got the nice mounts. I might paint the inside of those black or something, that back door. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it. Just gonna chase the threads and put some fresh nuts and washers on them. Looks good, right? So this is the Cal Custom Panther hood scoops. Part numbers on the bottom. See, I do the bottoms too. Everything's blasted, painted nice. There you go, number 1020. These are 1020 scoops. Look at them. Back from rough and ratty to ready to rock. Look good on the, I've seen these things on hoods. I've seen these things on quarter panels. I mean, it's a good size. You know, you could do what you want with it, and they look good, you know, right next to each other. You could do it like that, kind of like a Mopar scoop, like a Dart Sport scoop, or you could, you know, put them on each side of the hood, spread them out. Cal Custom made so much cool stuff back then. It was amazing what they made. But hey, listen, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Please give us a subscribe for a lot more videos just like this. We got a bunch of other content up on our channel. Take a look, watch one of our other videos. You'll dig it. Be sure to check out our website too at racecityretro.com. Thank you guys. Go out and build something cool today. Take care now.